Okay, before we get into the box details, let me move this over to the center where I like it. And then, okay, so looking at our... Sorry about that. Let's try this again. So looking at our box details, we've got our dart player. Okay, you know what? We're just going to do a review of that air vent. Hey, who of you has this one? Leave a comment below. Hello Playmo pals, and welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing and review video. Today we are taking a look at the Playmobil Special Plus set number 71165, the Dart Player. I don't know if that's the actual name, but we're going to go with it just because he looks very much like a dart player. So we're going to take a look at this one. This is another new figure for 2023. I'm not sure when this came out, but this is what I purchased along with the country singer that we did a review on recently. And I thought it was kind of cool because I liked his outfit and I liked his hair. It's not a hairstyle we have very much of. It does remind me of the Biff Tannen hairstyle from the Back to the Future sets, but I don't remember if it does look like that because it's been a while since I've seen it. Taking a look at the box, it is the Special Plus set. I really like the appearance of this figure. I like how his stubble is kind of messy. He's got kind of messy stubble here. He does have a really cool tattoo. I can't tell what it is I'm looking at. It could be darts and flames. I'm not 100% sure. But as you can, if you look carefully, you can see his shirt has a dartboard and then some darts sticking out of it too. And then this hair looks very much like the hair that we would find on the Biff Tannen figure, Biff Tannen Klicky, I should say, from the Back to the Future figures. He's holding his dart, which fastens onto the dartboard, which is attached to a little stand here. So it's a very simple set today that we're going to be taking a look at. Over on here on the side, we have a continuation of the front image with another dartboard in the distance. We also have the little, I forget what these are called offhand, but you can scan it with your phone and be taken to a website, possibly a video even, of Playmobil's efforts to recycle for their products. Then looking on this side, we have the Special Plus logo, the barcode, and a little indicator to remind you to recycle the box when you're finished. Top of the box has the countries of manufacturer and distributor. Bottom of the box has the choking hazard warnings. Back of the box has the continuation of the choking hazard warnings, as well as our individual pieces photographed. Yeah, not a whole lot going on with this one. And it's also including a couple other things I've never seen on the back of the box before, but we're not going to get into that really. But yeah, let's go ahead, crack this thing open, and see what's inside. I sometimes feel bad about opening these boxes, but I ripped it, so now I don't care. Okay, we got 3 darts, it looks like. Just making sure I haven't left anything in there, and it doesn't look like I have. All right, let's take a look at the dartboard first of all. Here it is. Whoops. There we go. Pretty nifty. I like how they were able to get it pretty accurate to an actual dartboard. That's really nice. And then, of course, the holes are there so that your darts can attach themselves to the dartboard. It comes with a stand, but the stand seems to be only one piece. It is. So be careful. You don't want it to break or bend. And this is a pretty solid straight piece here, which is nice. Dartboard fastens nicely into this little notch here. Looks like a wrench. And does not appear to be going anywhere, although it does have some maneuverability, but not very much. Here's what the darts look like close up. Like little torpedoes. Little bombs almost. Let's look at the Klicky. He is awesome. He is definitely dressed for tournament dart throwing. Not sure what's going on with this tattoo. Okay, I do see it. It is dart. It's one dart there. Okay, where that little triangle is, that's the back of the dart, the end of the dart. And then it looks like possibly the second one is here. Right there. Can I get it in focus? Yeah, there we go. And it's like there's flames coming out of it, like the dart was thrown hard and super fast, hitting the dartboard, which is apparently in this guy's arm. And then whatever's going on over here, which we can't get in focus very much. There we go. Looks good. He also kind of looks hairy, like he's got a hairy arm, but it is a tattoo. Nothing on the side. Let's go ahead and fasten the dart into our dart player's hand. Fits either way, as you would assume, and it does pop into his hand quite nicely for a simple and easy fit. But yeah, not a whole lot going on here, but that's okay. This is just fun and a lot of fun as is. So I think we're going to stop there. I don't really have any complaints about this one. There's really nothing, you know, to complain about. Nice set overall, very charming, and yeah, we'll hopefully be posting a new video very soon. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this unboxing and review video of set number 71165, the Dart Player. We hope you enjoyed it. If so, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also follow us at playmo.af on Instagram. Until then, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and we will see you right here on Playmo AF.
May the best dart player win. Pleasure to meet you.
Hello.
There's that little twig. Get out of my way, wench. We need plenty of killing space. We can't have all this trouble here. Don't worry, friend. I shall handle them accordingly. Best of luck. Thank you. I hope. I think. Okay, here goes nothing. Alright, here goes number 2. Okay, here's number 3. Well, not too bad, but I've done better. No, sire, you did fine. Take pride in the fine things that you do.
You
Come on, let's
suck!
go. Yeah. Oh, I should have listened to my mother become a doctor. All in a day's work. Wow, that was fantastic. I'd love to have you on my team sometime. Yes, that would be wonderful. However... Well, congratulations, sir, for winning the dart tournament. Here is your briefcase of 100 smackaroos, all accounted for. Wonderful. Yes, many thanks. This will come in handy. Wow, what a nice guy.
Excuse me.
Yeah, how can I help you?
I'm one of the judges here, and he wasn't never signed up. That contestant was never really a contestant. What do you mean? I mean, he just came and he illegally played, he cheated, and we just gave him the reward money.
Oh, great. What am I gonna do?
I would tell you gotta clean this up, but apparently, there's nothing to clean up, other than the mess that we're still in with the stolen money.
Mess? What mess? What do you mean, mess? This mess I have to clean up here? Wait a minute. Where'd they all go?